Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. I know I'm posting this super late. I've been so behind it this week trying to get everything caught up. But I still wanted to, of course, post the must-do deals for CVS for you guys next week. So these deals are going to start on Sunday the 21st and go through the 27th. We are getting 2 inserts. I've seen a lot of different varieties about what coupons are coming in the inserts. So we'll have to check on Sunday and see what we have. Of course, some of the coupons are regional. I do have 3 amazing freebies and a hot moneymaker up to $6.34 moneymaker. So I'm really excited to share that with you guys. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're looking for a channel to help you save hundreds and hundreds of dollars and have fun while you're doing it. So let's go ahead and dive right into these deals. We have some more hair care deals. Pantene next week is buy 3, get a $4 extra buck. It is a limit of 1. So what you can do is buy 3 for the $12. Use the 3 off of 3 digital coupon. Then if you have a 3 off of 12 hair care CRT or Pantene CRT, definitely use that with this deal. You'll pay $6, get back the $4 extra buck, making your final cost $2 for 3 bottles or 66 cents each. And this will track towards CVS Beauty. If you're new to couponing at CVS, for every $30 you spend, you're going to get a $3 beauty buck back on your CVS card in about 48 hours after you check out. CoverGirl is spend 20, get an $8 extra buck. When this deal came around, I did it and I got that beauty blender and I absolutely love it. So that's why I wanted to share this with you guys. Keep in mind, it is not at the register. So if you're doing this deal and you want to get the free GSQ by Glam Squad Duo Blender, you have to grab it off the wall wherever it is in the makeup section in your store and bring it up to the register with you because they have to obviously scan it out and then it'll ring up free once you hit the $20 mark or the $15 mark, sorry. So just keep that in mind. So what you can do is buy one of the continuous lipsticks from CoverGirl for $6.79, 1 invisible concealer, $7.79, and 1 professional lash mascara at $6.79. Your total is going to come to $21.37. We are getting some new CoverGirl coupons in our Sunday Smart Source insert. There's also some from a previous insert, I just can't remember which one it is, that are still valid. So check your coupon binder or folder wherever you keep your coupons and see what you guys have available. Sometimes we'll even get some printables, so we'll have to wait on Sunday and see what we have come available on coupons.com. So what you can do is use a $2 lip coupon, $3 face, and a $2 eye, all from the Smart Source insert. If you have a 3 off of 15 CoverGirl CRT or a 3 off of 12 cosmetic CRT, definitely use that towards this deal. You'll pay $11.37, get back an $8 extra buck, and you'll get back, of course, that contour blender. So your final cost would be $3.37 for 3 items, technically 4 items, of course, or just $1.12 each. General Mills cereal is going to be just $1.99 next week. So we do have a digital coupon on the CVS app for $1 off of 2. So what you can do is pick up 2 of these. Use that $1 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $3 for both or just $1.49 each. So definitely a great price. I would say like anything under $2 really is a great deal to pick up for cereal because even Walmart, it's more expensive than that. Cereal is super expensive. Banana Boat, I wanted to share this deal with you. I did do an Alba sunscreen deal in my Walmart Ibotta haul from this week. So I've had it posted at the end of some of the videos from the current week. If you haven't checked it out, definitely do so. We got 2 Alba sunscreens for about $3.81 for both of them. So an absolutely amazing deal with Ibotta and Shopkick. If you prefer Banana Boat, you definitely want to make sure you guys are stocking up on some type of sunscreen. Of course, It is getting super hot. I live in Florida, so it's already super hot. We want to make sure that we're protecting ourselves. So it's buy one, get one half off, and buy two, get a $2 extra buck. It is a limit of one. We are getting $2 off coupons in our 6/21 Smart Source as well, making this deal even better. So what you can do is buy two of the Banana Boat Moisturizing Sunscreen for $8.99. The second one would be half off at $4.49. Use two of the $2 off one coupons. Then you'll pay $9.48, get back a $2 extra buck. Final cost is $7.48 for both, or $3.74 each. Not a bad deal because regular price, they're $8.99. Again, even at Walmart, sunscreen is pretty expensive. So anytime you can get some savings, I definitely recommend stocking up. We are getting another spend 20, get a $5 extra buck deal. There are a couple additional items included that are not shown here. You can check on page 2 of the ad for some additional items. So the deal I put together is literally using all 3 of these items shown. Your total will come to $19.88. Now, if your store does not follow the 98% rule, what you're going to want to do is add in the all laundry detergent. That is going to be $2.99, and that'll push you over the top. Or what you can do is add another Tide Pod, anything like that, to make sure your total is $20 or more. I know a lot of stores do follow the 98% rule, so for this deal, you can use the $3 digital coupon for the Tide Liquid, $2 digital coupon for the Tide Pods. If you get that 3 off of 15 laundry CRT that has been circulating quite a bit lately, you're definitely going to want to use that on this deal. You'll pay $11.88, get back a $5 extra buck. Final cost is $6.88 for 4 items, or just $1.74 or $72 each, which is still an amazing deal because the Kleenex regular price at CVS is $2.09, and we're getting a huge Tide liquid. Kit Kats. So there is a deal going on at Walgreens that I just posted in my Walgreens Must Do Deals video. I will have that one linked at the end of this one if you haven't checked it out. Walgreens is absolutely amazing next week for savings. You can get some free Kit Kats though next week. I'm super bummed out. I already used that $1 off 2 instant coupon, but that is okay. If you have not used it yet, you may want to wait because they are 2 for $2 and buy 2, get a $1 extra back. So when you buy 2 of them using that instant coupon, you'll pay $1, get back $1, making them both completely free. I did try the Kit Kat Duo. I thought it was pretty good. I'm starting to like some mint chocolate chip things, except for mint chocolate chip ice cream. That one kind of freaks me out. But like the Andes mint things at Cracker Barrel, absolutely amazing. Okay, here is our first moneymaker and freebie deal. The L'Oreal Paris mascara, this one exactly, it has to be the Lash Paradise, is buy one, get a $3 extra buck, and it's $7.99. So there is a $2 coupon from coupons.com. So make sure you stop what you're doing and print it out right now so you guys don't forget and it doesn't go away. It may not reset and be there on Sunday, so you want to make sure that you print it this week. There is the $4 instant coupon from the current week. You'll pay $1.99, get back a $3 extra buck, making your final cost free and a $1.01 moneymaker. This, of course, too, will track towards CVS Beauty. L'Oreal Facial Care. This is the big moneymaker that I have for you guys. So there has been some $7 Age Perfect CRTs. A lot of times you'll get one week, you'll get another the next week, and they'll expire the same day. So what I mean is I print my CRTs on Sunday. They'll expire the following Sunday. So when I go shopping, I'll have in essence 2 rounds of CRTs that I can use. You can stack them up. I know I get that question quite a bit. So what you can do is buy 1 Age Perfect moisturizer, 1 Ideal Clean Wipes, and 1 Ideal Cleanser. That is going to bring your total to $30.57. You can use 2 of the $7 Age Perfect CRTs. And you can use 2 of the 5 off of 15 facial care CRTs. And this is why. Well, anytime you're using spend amount CRTs, you just have to add them up and make sure you're spending that amount. If we are using 5 off of 15 CRTs, 15 plus 15 is 30. We're spending over $30, so that's why we can use both. Then you'll pay just $6.57. You're going to get back a $10 extra buck. And remember, when you spend $30 in beauty items, this will track towards beauty. You'll get a $3 beauty buck. I put extra buck, but I meant to put beauty buck. It's the same thing though in essence. So now your final cost is free and a $6.43 moneymaker. So that is everything for the must-do deals for CVS next week. There's definitely some amazing deals and some amazing savings. I did post today a second CVS haul, just starting with a $2 extra buck. I know a lot of you guys are new to couponing, and I get a ton of people reaching out asking how they can split up their transactions and learn how to coupon at CVS. So I thought today would be a great day to share a video with you guys. I had left all of my extra bucks at home using my mom's account so that we can get her some good deals as well. And I wanted to start with just that $2 extra buck because that was all I had. So you can see how you can roll that into different transactions, especially with some moneymaker deals, to lower your out-of-pocket cost significantly. If you guys have any questions, of course, make sure you guys drop a comment. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.